So how do you turn on the grid on the iPhone camera? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. Well, on the main camera, you can see we can have the grid like this, but it can be set up in the settings, not in the actual camera app, where in the main settings app of the iPhone, you need to scroll down a little bit, and there you can find the camera section. In there, a bunch of different toggles, but inside of the composition section, you can see we have the grid as well as level, right? So you can have both turn on because like level is a bit of a different thing, but I guess it also works because like level is like the line in the middle, right? And the grids are like, of course, the grid across the whole screen, right? So that's how you can enable it, of course, using the built-in camera. If you need to be a little bit more professional, you can explore some third-party professional camera apps on the App Store. For videos, you can use the Final Cut camera or, Filmic Pro, Blackmagic camera. All of those are available. And those not only have the grid, but also some extended features, like, for example, the focus peaking or overexposure indicators and stuff like that, right? So those apps can even provide you with more features than the built-in camera app. So that's it. That's all I wanted to show you in this quick video. So let me know what you think below. Most definitely stay tuned by subscribing so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. And I'll talk to you later in those videos. So stay tuned and I'll see you then.